My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
I've been trying to find a way to tell you I'm so sorry. I'm the reason that we fell through. Love's not.
Wait, I got one. There it is, baby.
I wish I could have done something to help you. I'm so sorry. I'm the reason that we fell through. Love's not easy when you can't let someone's love through.
Just got home, and today while I was at work, Foot Action restocked the Hyper Crimson Jordan 1. I managed to cop a size 14, but before you say they're bricks, or if you think they're bricks, let me just tell you, you are not selling them in the right place. Another update. Today, I'm very sad because I got a cancellation email on my Shop Nice Kicks order for the Bape Ultra Boost. So yeah, but I'm gonna keep trying to run for restocks and hopefully we can still get our hands on them. Chances of catching a restock is really low, but you know, anything is possible. It is February the 5th and for the first time in my life, I got sneakers exclusive access to the Off-White Air Maxes. So today at work, I was, just doing my job, and then I got a notification from Discord from KStack saying, hey guys, Nike Sneakers put up a post regarding the Air Maxes and it picked up on our monitor. I look at it and I'm like, oh, okay, they're probably gonna do a Leo or a draw or whatever. And then 2 minutes later I checked my phone and I had exclusive access. So I rushed to the bathroom, whipped it out, boop boop boop, and it was so slow I could not get in, and by the time I got in it was sold out. If I had checked my phone right then and there when KStacks decided to ping us, then I probably would have been able to cop, but I didn't. Another thing, I decided to drop $200 on an Oculus server. With this past Bape release, Google Cloud servers is just not doing it for me. I feel like my setup is perfect and I'm doing everything perfectly, but my speeds just can't compete with other people who have significantly higher download and upload speed than me. So for anyone that doesn't know, here is an in the nutshell version of what a server is. You can think of a sneaker server like a computer with incredibly fast internet speeds. Bot users connect to these servers so that loading times can be minimized. Here is a comparison from my home network for reference.
I'm the only one for you, ay. I would never try to hurt you, ay. I ain't tripping about no other hoes. These bitches keep on hitting up my phone, cause all my exes can't move on. But you know you're the only one. You are my love, my Amazon.
Furthermore, these sneaker servers are often located geographically close to where many sneaker websites are hosted, which results in even faster checkout times. And a little bit later today, Kicks will be dropping the Jordan 1 patent leather sky blue thingy-mabob. I don't even know what it's called, but I'm gonna go for them. And I'm not sure if I can get my server set up in time, but we'll see.
Remember kicking off some bullshit, and why your eyes on my phone with the bullshit? It's just about a shawty, baby, I don't really do this. Then it's not about you, baby, I knew this. Come and pop a tag, come and take my way. We gon' make this shit work, we gon' find a way. Cause girl, I ride for you.
There is about 1 minute before the first scheduled drop for the Off-White Air Max 90s.
And I'm still down for you. Cause girl, I ride for you. And everything you put me through, baby, we go back just like go-to. And I'm still down for you. Cause girl, I'm down for you. And I'ma hold it down, that's what I do. Oh, baby, and I'm down for you. And I'ma hold it down, that's what I do. You don't even know what I've been through. You don't gotta let me a bitch do. Blowing on my phone like I miss you. Know I love you by the way that I kiss you. You don't even know what I've been through. You don't gotta let me a bitch do. Blowing on my phone like I miss you. Know I love you by the way that I kiss you. Lead me to bleed, I know I got you on your knees, but something keeps on telling me, it keeps on telling me, Pete, leave it alone. I'm good on my own, mama miss me out. Girl,
I'm at a loss of words. I got about an average of 4 hours of sleep the past few nights because I'm trying to set up for this drop, this crazy drop, probably the most important drop of the month, and all for nothing. Dude, I hate when this happens.
Please don't ask me if I think about you. I'm already fucking on a new bitch. Wasn't with me when I wasn't nothing.
It is currently 7:59 and in about 30 seconds Frenzy is going to be dropping. Oh dude, my thumb is sweaty. I need this thumbprint to work.
Just put me up, put me through every emotion.
Oh shoot, why'd I get size 13?
Just put me up.
Oh my gosh, that processing payment took like 10 years. Oh shoot, I should have done it on my iPad too. Oh well. Dude, that processing payment took way too long. Wait a minute, I'm on LTE? What? Dude, I switched. Oh, rip me. Nah, that's why it took so long. That's an L right there. Yeah, I knew it.
Stay alive for me, I don't stay, I love you. Would you even cry for me? Because I would love you.
Just look me in my eyes, so I know it's real. Hypnotize my mind, rearranging my world.
Stay alive for me, I don't stay, I love you.
Guys, I don't know if this was the right thing to do, but Packers just checked out 3 Adidas ZX4000s. Holy crap. Holy crap, I'm super nervous. Hopefully this was not a bad decision. Someone's monitor picked up that there was only 18 in stock and I got 3. Oh my gosh.
I can never love a hoe now.
It has arrived.
Tryna play with me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ay, ay, drop.
I think this is the biggest shoe size I have ever copped. Oh my gosh, bro. What the hell? This is bigger than my head. I know you guys are sick of seeing this shoe, but damn, this is a big shoe. Oh my gosh. Yo, imagine if somebody with this foot size just stepped on my face, son. I would die. I'm not going to Stadium Goods this episode, but I will give you a quick preview of some of the things we sold this week.
Baby, tell me what you gonna do. If a nigga get a sentence, promise that you're gonna ride with me. Never cheering about these bitches, cause they cannot handle me. Nah, nah, nah. I'm
So coming up next week, we have NBA All-Star Weekend. Hopefully by then the Adidas ZX4000s come in so I can do an unboxing for you, but we'll have to see. Peace.